Oh no. I don't think this mixture will fix her. Firehead? Are you okay? Well, almost better.
I think she's paralyzed. Nonsense.